another video. You are watching your favorite channel where you get latest information for your gadgets out here. And today we are going to talk about Lenovo's ThinkPad T430 out here. Yes, talking about this variant out there, talking about T430 out here, we can say that this variant is quite amazing version. Yes, this is a variant from the ThinkPad series or ThinkLite series, we can say. Offering you a great specification in T430 out here, we can say that this variant offers a great range of specifications, great functionality, structure, as well as you get to see a different, we can say, design out there. Design ki baat kare, if we talk about the design, then we can say that this variant is offering you a heavy look variant out there, but it is not very heavy out here. It's offering you Intel's Core i5 third generation. Yes, it offers you Intel Core i5 third generation with 2.5 gigahertz speed out there. So this is really good. As well as this variant offers you a dual core processor out there. Yes, the dual core number of cores. If we talk about the core system out there, then it is a dual core. But the speed out here is 2.6 gigahertz, which is quite good. Along with that, if we talk about this variant, then we can see the Intel Core i5 third generation being used with a good chip system, that is mobile Intel chip system out there, is working very well in this variant. Whereas when we talk about this version, then we can say that this variant is offering you quite good range of other specifications like hyper threading technology or Intel Turbo Boost technology out here, that is 0.20, and it has been upgraded to 2.0 now. Integrated memory control out here, so these things can be seen out in this version also. Apart from that, if we talk about this variant, then we can say that this variant offers you a great range of, you can say, uh, storage out there. Yes, if we talk about the internal storage, that is very good out here. When we talk about this variant, then we can say that this variant is offering you a cache memory, which is the installed cache memory of 3 MB. 3 MB cache memory is really a good and a relevant variant out here. Whereas you get to see that the RAM memory or the internal RAM is stored out is 4 GB RAM. Along with the configuration and the slotations out there, it has got a DDR3 type RAM variant. Yes, if we talk about the RAM variant, kis tarah ka RAM variant hai, then it is DDR3 out here. Along with that, if we talk about this variant, then we can say that it has got installed 4 GB size out here. Yes, it has got 4 GB size that is seen in this variant. Apart from that, you can also see that the speed of the memory or the memory speed, if we talk about, then it is 1600 MZ. Yes, that is megahertz out there. Yes, MHz, that is megahertz. 1600 megahertz out is quite good out there actually. It is not bad, it's quite good, we can say. But definitely memory plays a very important role. We would say that yes, memory is important in every gadget, not just smartphones, but these gadgets also. So if you get to have a 4 GB internal stored memory, internal RAM out there, which is installed RAM, expandability, or we can say the maximum support out there, or expandable memory could be possible because it is up to 16 GB, so it offers you a great RAM quality out here. But if we talk about the graphical part, then we can say that the graphical part is slightly weak out there, not very, very weak, but yeah, slightly weak as compared to other series. Offering you an interface of series 88 300 out there, it offers you a optical writer which is removable out here. Apart from that, we can say that there are two slotations. Yes, there for expandability we need a slotted cards out there. So you have got a slotation in which only one is for the expandability, other one is for the installed RAM out there. So you have two slotations for RAM. Talking about the LED or talking about the display of this variant, we can say that it has got LED backlift out here. Yes, it has got LED backlift out here. And when we talk about this widescreen, then it is also having an additional factor of anti-glance. Anti-glance is a quite good variant in display out here. We can say the display is really good out there. Offering you a screen size of 35.5 centimeter, it offers you HD resolution also. So overall, if we talk, then it has got HD LED backlit anti-glance display. So overall, we can say this, that it has got really a good display of 35.5 centimeter in as well as HD LED backlift, full HD, or not full HD, we would say. This is only HD. This is not full HD. This is HD backlift, LED, anti-glance display out here. So this is quite a good variant. So we can say that it does not offers you harmful rays out there much. Yes, harmful rays are there, but not very much out there. Apart from that, let us talk about the graphical part which we were talking, which is slightly weak. Not very weak, which is slightly weak, but it offers you Intel HD graphics out there of 4000. It could be much better variant, but according to the processing out there used, internal systems used out here, it is offering you a slightly weak out there. Intel HD graphics 4000 being used with integrated webcam, which has a resolution of 1280 into 720. Yes, this has got a resolution of 1280 into 720 out here. But does it offer you a good speakers, microphones inbuilt in it? Yes, it offers you stereo type speakers. Along with that, it also offers you a microphone inbuilt in it. Yes, you find microphones also. You find stereo type speakers. Along with that, if you talk about the audio jacks out there, what is the code for the audio inbuilt in it? You get to see that it has got real tech audio code out here. Yes, along with that, if you talk about the hard drive built in it, because hard drive also plays an important role. And talking about the hard drive, then it has got 500 GB capacity of hard drive with a HDD version. Now, this is not SDD, it is HDD version, offering you 7200 RPM speed out there. Yes, if we talk about the speed of this hard drive, then it is 720 RPM along with 500 GB HDD storage. Now, how does we define the keyboard inbuilt in it? Because keyboard also plays an important role, because where we are typing is also important, because it's not a touch variant. So it has got a track point and a great version of a keyboard, offering you all the functional keys, arrow keys out there. Along with that, you have got all the features in the multi-touch part, which is for the mouse control, voice control out there. These kind of things could be done easily with that wireless control mouse out there, or the multi-touch control part out there, pad out there. Along with that, you also get to see that it has got a good Wi-Fi connectivity, Bluetooth connectivity, as well as if we talk about DD, writer and reader, that could be seen out here. It is removable, so you will not be able to just attach it on, but you will be able to port it out. Apart from that, we can say that it has got a card slotation, 4 card slotations out there for USB mousing out there, or card reader, mouse memory card, multi cards out there. There are a lot of things you can do with that. Offering you 57 volts battery life, it offers you approximately 10 hours work timing. Yes, 10 hours work timing could be easily done out here. So this is a very good version. So let us talk about the pricing also about this variant, because offering you these kind of specifications, we need a good pricing. Talking about the price, this site that is just at click.com offers you great pricing for your gadgets. Yes, your gadgets out here in a very pocketable rate, and this search icon helps you to search your favorite gadgets within a limited range of products. You can say yes, within limited range of products. So this is the result for our search, and when we see the result, there is a small description box out here offering you a great specification, as well as you get to have a bag free with this item, and there's a condition written that is refurbished. So let us talk about refurbished condition also. Talking about refurbished products, or talking about the refurbished word, we can say that refurbished and brand new products are quite same, are quite similar out here. We can say that. Refurbished products की बात करें, if we talk about the word refurbished, then we can say that refurbished word is an something related to brand new. Yes, we can say that refurbished product word means that creating something newly like. And now when we talk about refurbished and brand new, then we can say that they are actually same in the structurality, in the functionalities, they are actually same in the testimoniality also. Overall, they are quite same. Only the difference lies out in the pathway it is being obtained. Yes, if we talk about the brand new products, then they are absolutely first launch, whereas refurbished gadgets are pre-owned gadgets. They are pre-owned gadgets actually. So let us look at the pathway first. Talking about the pathway, then there's a common pathway followed for every gadget, that is base, mediator, and the consumers. Whereas the brand new follows this pathway in this format, like company is the base out here from where the gadget is being originated. Then it comes to the marketplace, where which is usually the bridge between the company and the user. Then comes the consumer, which are the users. We as the users are the consumers out here. Now talking about this pathway, what does this pathway means? मतलब company पहले product लाती है market में, then the user buys it. This is what brand new is all about. Now this brand new product is being used with the user, is with the user now. It is pre-owned gadget. Now what happens, that user wants to sell this product. So what happens is this user does nothing but sells it off. We can say gives it back to the marketplace, wants to resell it. This pre-owned gadget is resold out there. As well as when we talk about this variant, then we can say that this variant, this user is now the base for the refurbished gadgets. Yes, this is the base for the refurbished gadget, because now the product is being used from this user. It comes to the marketplace, then it goes for the testing and everything and comes to the user. So this is what happens out. Now what is the main thing happening out here? The main thing is the company test first before launching it in the market. Matlab, any gadget, every gadget is being first tested out, then it is brought back in the market, brought to the market. But what happens, the refurbished product, user sells it off and the marketplace tests it. जो भी side को लेती है, whichever place it is having it, it tests it and then it is resold. Now let us talk about the tests which are included in this, because offering you same structure, everything needs to be same. Talking about the tests, we can say that there are actually the same parameters, same tests included out there. Like if we talk about laptops, if we talk about these gadgets, then we can say that there are tests which are including the external and internal parameters. Talking about the external parameters, they are like you get to check out the gadget, like the external factors, or whether the display is working properly or not, keyboards, key buttons out there, if it is a mouse control working or not, scratches, webcam is there or not, the jack points out there are working properly or not, even the jack points are there or not, even the buttons are properly placed at the proper order or not. Everything need to be checked externally. Like if there is any scratch out there, what kind of scratch is this, whether it can be restored or not. So these kind of things has to be checked. Once the external parameters are checked out, then it goes to the internal parameters. Talking about the internal parameters, we can say that the internal parameters are not different, but the internal elements which are included in the CPU, in the chip system, RAM quality out there, storage capacities out there, the connectivities, the microphones, speakers. If the jack system is there, then what is the jack system working properly or not? Audio input jacks are working or not? The webcam is working or not? The resolution out there, the display it is used, the Windows it is using, operating system, every single factor has to be checked. Now, the external factors could be checked through normal eyes, normal equipments out there, but the internal factors need to be checked and verified with specialized equipment, specialized devices out there. The softwares they are using has to be checked. So overall, we can say that there has to be a check about the system of this variant. Talking about this variant, talking about the refurbished category out there. Now the brand new products have a structure. The same structure is for refurbished. The brand new have the same function which refurbished does. So they are actually same. The only difference lies out that refurbished products are pre-owned gadgets. Now let us talk about the benefits of having a refurbished product or a pre-owned gadget. Number one is the pocketable rate you get to have. Yes, you get to have pocketable rates. The gadgets which have been once pre-owned, they are now in your pocketable rates. Refurbished products are usually in pocketable rates. They are not as expensive as brand new products. Talking about the brand new products, they are quite expensive. Once they are launched for the first time, they are quite expensive. But refurbished products or the same product in the refurbished category are quite pocketable. Now, since they are pocketable, refurbished are quite less cheaper out there, less expensive. Then, do you get to save? Yes, you get to have a huge savings out there. You get to save a lot. Now, when we do a savings, because the brand new products are expensive, refurbished are less expensive, so you have a difference in the pricing. So you get to save a good amount. What happens with the brand new products is that once they are launched, they are offered as a 1 year warranty. Yes, you get to have a 1 year warranty also. When we talk about the warranty period, does refurbished products offer you warranty? Talking about the warranty period, yes, refurbished products offers you 6 months warranty out here. Yes, they are offering you 6 months warranty. Whereas you get to have 6 months warranty along with 7-day exchange policy also. These are the two additional benefits of having a refurbished product. What happens is that once a pre-owned gadget we buy, usually don't get, but with refurbished category, you get to have a 6 months warranty and 7 exchange policy also. So these are the benefits which are included in the refurbished category. So let us go back to the site and check whether it offers you the same things or not. So coming back to the site, that is just at click.com. Yes, the site name is just at click.com. Description has the link. You can directly check in the description box, or you can check out here, that is on Google, that is just at click.com. This website offers you a great range of things. Like you get to have a hassle-free shopping out here because it offers you COD. Yes, all over the UAE, it has COD out there. Along with that, it offers you free home delivery, along with that money back guarantee and support system for 24/7. Now, what does this money back guarantee is all about? That if within 7 days exchange period, if we talk about, then if the gadget is not up to the mark and is not working properly, definitely you get to have a guarantee period out there. Now, talking about the pricing and everything, this search icon, which we have already seen, helps you to search your favorite gadgets in a limited range. So this is all about the site. You can check out the description for the link, or on Google you can check it out. Till then, take care, because this site offers you best market price, and for best pricing, do check out the website. Till then, take care.